Hey guys, join me as we make some delicious corn dogs right at home. These are so quick and easy to make. They're halal and Hadaifa approved. I posted the recipe card in my latest post and it's really easy to follow. So let's just go ahead and make it now on stories. First, you're gonna need some very simple ingredients. You're gonna start out with, of course, your Safa beef hot dogs that are halal. Then you're going to take 1 large egg, 1 1/4 cups of buttermilk, 2 tablespoons of butter. We're going to put half a teaspoon of salt, and then we're going to put 2 tablespoons of sugar. I've made this so many times this summer that I have it memorized. 2 tablespoons of baking powder. Please make sure it's not baking soda. Mix it together. It's going to be kind of thick. And then you're going to add in 1 cup of flour and 1 cup of cornmeal. Don't be intimidated. It looks really, really thick. We're going to add in a little bit of milk. And then once we have it all mixed together, you're going to pour your really thick batter into a mason jar to make it easier to dip your corn dogs and like your hot dogs into it. Before you start this batter, please make sure that you follow the directions on the recipe card. I am preheating my oil as we're doing this process. And of course, always keep your oil on medium heat. You don't want to burn the cornbread batter. You want just to nice and golden corn dogs. So now we're ready. We've got our batter in a mason jar. We're going to take either craft sticks or kabob sticks. Here I'm using some kabob sticks. And you want to stick them halfway through the hot dog. This will make it easier for you to dip them in the batter and into the oil. So now we've got our hot dogs that have the kebab sticks in them. Our batter's ready to go, and now let's go check our oil. You check if your oil's ready by putting a spoon of the batter in and seeing if it bubbles like this. If it doesn't bubble, then it's still too cold of an oil. It's not ready for your corn dogs. Now you're gonna hold on to the wooden part of the kebab stick and dip your hot dog into the batter. And then you're gonna wiggle it into the oil and let go. So you need a pot that's wide enough for the hot dog to lay across in, but deep enough to get it, nice and fried. I never said this was healthy. Again, we're relating this to Carnival Food, and it's not supposed to be healthy. It's just supposed to be yummy. Yummy and halal. So we're just gonna repeat and fry them up, and then you can serve them with whatever you like. Make sure to grab your Al Safa halal beef hot dogs and make these at home. Don't forget to tag me in Al Safa.